What's good, YouTube? It's Five and Conquer back with another video. I know it's been a minute since I posted it, but trust me guys, it was well worth the wait. Are you a beginner in chess who wants the quickest way to improve without having to spend countless hours of money every day? Or an intermediate or even an advanced level chess player who's been stuck at just one rating and is not going up at all? Do you want to know how masters are becoming so good and spot brilliant tactics in their games? If so, this is for you, because I'm proud to announce that I'm kicking off a brand new series where I walk through every single tactic that I can think of in chess, from beginners who just started chess and are looking to take their chess to the next level tactics, all the way to master level tactics. Every day I'll post at least one video explaining a tactic, and I can guarantee you that if you watch every single video in this series, you will see a massive rate increase. I'm so confident in saying this, that if you don't improve in chess after watching this whole series, you can unsubscribe from my channel. So, hit the notification bell because the first tactic drops today, and trust me, you are not going to want to miss this video.